Prechize nukubiri omumbere cyonyine so no kunkiriza twarga mbena kutwara kimwe nkwereke bikwatirine nemizano ebere okoko omubazungu tetune mizano y'abacyana kuko ngambe izo ari nyumazo actually mbasobore nyumazo shikweta no kuvuga munonga I told you about Bayern Munich na gambira team ya Manchester United Bayern Munich neza kusinga bebaria Old Trafford good enough they didn't go to the Le Sports Village bagira Old Trafford but of course kache Pat Ketcha nko kizwiremu akwe bari abantu emetwaro mushanju 2-5 abahagiza bembarogo umupira tubabira bamana munonga but I expect kujanga in case yakora upset ya man munonga baje no Bayern Munich akone jene next week ubundi yaterera yonka Bayern twasakora but yesterday I told you experience ya Bayern Munich Manchester United cannot match them because 50 years versus 7 years yes sometimes no sakora cyo kutangaza konko mutanana kukizamani mazima amutirisha tu ahari ibiri yamuteka konko bagerezo wako amaniyo bene bembate baba abamani ba equalizing bate baba ba equalizing as I told you Dominic abena missing on defense yabo so defense no kwabere actually mbazana high line defense line ejejo nimbi munonga that's defensive high line wasangotine defender munungi munonga actually captain wabe najeza captain atebe na penalty on the end of the day kana yakuna mna mistake ya imera bagomba murabomba mwirukanze harumana bamwita hada ogumwana wa Denmark cyabakoze n'ikindi kintu abatebere gori biruwe nko muntu then yizo mwana wa Japan yabatera nawe abakozere ku munonga so Manu bagitere gori 3-2 hati neza kugarukayo ezane na Bayern Munich netaga win there's no shortcut ne cyangwa kwa kindi netaga win omuri Germany kubasa kuranga ya progressing agenda omu semifinals empaka za UEFA Champions League ezabacyara konkaho awunibancho mene ngamantu mgo mu recording mu challenging because there's matches basta kabiri konka ngamba ngo gine kusinga nete kusinga kandi bawo kandi tayayire so njana mu challenging unkanoze cyumuka challenge cyambura so nyina mu challenge mu ngo match gineza kusinga kandi ke yange mu bundi nkaho but the way I told you ngira Barcelona nabagamba nteta yayire kunga sineza kusinga kandi kusinga comfortable indeed the team ya Madrid agoro mukaga ari ibiri wowe ne byafaye mazman bikwangwira things get better and easier for you waba no manya in and out about the club zezo nyine mbeninde Barcelona ne kumusinga mbena koze statistics already you can imagine amezanisha kwa season age timu ya Barcelona bayatire timu ya Madrid goro 10 uzgisramwe mizarmo ni cyakwetano aggregate goals wazgitamwe omusanisha tu kandi Madrid tebire mushatsonka noro mutogo nana kukizamani mazima no wakuwengo kateka minzani noro nana kukizamani so abana bona imperize bona bayaka code basingire kimwe because I really do enough research and experience na cyo kiza munaranga of course abo kuba tujanguriye muno gamba ngo kitegeza ko cyane kikabo so sometimes mukamari umuhwizi witu nabitahamu so bakoze batyo now ebitoza kumara byaseno kabagambira kandi ndidi cyabanku cyabire nabagambira na team ndize za Lyon so now cut focusing ebya Champions League twabikwasara bazo akomba garka next week we are going to focus on World Cup qualifiers playoffs kandi kana bagambira tukani Patto Nuguless na kopanka no I don't Take is going to play ne tagumuzano gwe eryumuka kandi nibazano muzano gumwe okwikeza kubasa kurabo okabuga no ndizo muntaru wa kabiri now team ya Take abanje mbajimanya 12 ekakore cya final yatire timu ya Senegal abantu bakarensi yona Africa yone kahoho gore bembejete ya muheru ejejo goro bakaziyobaizo golden rule bakajiyo bwe ekakomana nabo umuwadi kapeje ngwekoma golden rule ekerja ngo bakutera gore ejo mtwa cyaho taro kwinjirayo so konka bakajiyo hatene muzana mpaka iso time nebe gwire so bakachwanya gure mitima y'abantu ba Africa obatera Senegal kasora you remember Senegal ekakora record yo kutera defending champion aba France isuka ikatera France gore marusha kandi France ne yabe n'ikikopo cha World Cup cha 1998 so ekombe kaka profile kayo kamana munonga how people expected Senegal to beat Take since Take mbagiranke kuburabura but yaje yakora ki cyabasa kuba now baye bamaze wire buringo munonga batakuzayo on World Cup so they want to go back once again so mbako baryomuka and expected team ejo ya Take okubasa kwane koraje so what you do mupiro gwe nyowe researching kwa kozrorere kwa team ejo girengo at least tubaragitere ine gukora draw ine kusinga kandi neza kutebamu team ya Take neza na team ya Romania so gurumpira gwa manu munongo twine Czech Republic ne team na ya Ireland Czech Republic still neza kuremeraho inabazane barunje munonga and I think they will also perform well back singer kandi Ireland teragwi mugo mu challenging kare you record them mu challenging ebiko ni bagamba Denmark nani deba neguye mu muzano gwegweri izoba Denmark nenda kuzo mu World Cup and they have been going there so taro kisekiri yaho they want to go there. North Macedonia is one of the surprise packages mu Europe konka Amahanga yetgara basket since it's a one game keriyo jangu bazana home and away aharaka tukumara umroka jo tamgu to do it later I didn't cook to kurum class and do correction. There's no chance of doing correction this time Baktera ota. So I say Denmark as ekusinga. Itare in Northern Ireland. Gattuso General Gattuso batakumanya nechanda cha Itare. Gattuso takwichiriza ku musinjiro muka. I can tell you kuyarukumu Rwanda shatunena team ya Itare bagitire mirundi ebiriyonga. Njane mutangade byafaye byona. You need to have information at your fingertip. So rukumu Rwanda shatunena team ya Italy sinjiro mirundi eje biriyonga moneje yaze ko gisinjira I don't see it maybe the worst ne banka draw then tinom mpira gwa Poland na Albania. Poland of course Roberto Lewandowski omuzano wa Barcelona amyakaye na azane World Cup ya muhiru njata amyaka nkana nebiri tigose ngunda kwa nazana because that yari yashatu na mushanju that is after 5 years amyaka nebiri I don't think nana chizana World Cup so natamani mingi munonga kurangwa at least ya qualifying for World Cup age yenkumi abinamukaga. I can say also Poland ekusingo musano gwayo. Slovakia nene zana na Kosovo niyo team ekutangaza abantu bona Kosovo agenzere 4 games clean sheet batakitebam but remember is away. So I think home advantage will work here, not because binamani konganya sigangu home advantage neza kuyamba Slovakia okubasa kora draw ninga kusinga. Tule team ya Ukraine na Sweden they have a big squad, very good one. Elanga in front. You see? Yokeris in front. But they didn't score. Niyo team yonka agenzere group se kuzigamu etasinjiri. Draws, losses. So this time they are away. Or Ukraine bari umutaru actually mbaguza na Valencia omuri Spain but I think Ukraine inabazana bakwasa ku determine ngo gomuzana. Sweden of form complete ngokora team wenu kusanga team teri ambutindo just general someone can ask you even about teri ambutindo. That question used to appear Manchester United mutakaba kama mbugana everywhere omutawuni omucharo mani Patto Nuguless amana man ekizu kyamanini kye sometimes tukaturonda na anse korachi etubura kongatika to finding out ekizubu no coach. Now team ya Ukraine na Sweden I think ekizu kya Sweden no coach. Let me do it like that. Wales in a team ya Bosnia Bosnia teza kumara Wales neza kurwana abangereza no mana una abangereza ninka England nibaza kurwana imabi no mpira kwa speed Craig Bellamy nuko chati naza kubereka ngo nabatera so we can defend Wales namakuru gomka mwenza ko nikweteje bakweta VIP all day nebere ya 2.5 na single nyina kweza single team eje mweyonka to risking tumire pini ya bomu waji yayo kubipini bomu ekutero gwansi omuhinda bro gabori nyankore twagiye kurungi munonga omuhindi tumutere agambori nyankore atamana mani Patto Nuguless rwawe